How to turn off two-step authentication on Google. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Make sure that turning off two-step verification makes your account more vulnerable to unauthorized access. So it is always recommended to have your two-factor authentication on. However, for some reason, if you want to turn it off, then go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for google.com. Make sure you are signed in to the account you want to turn off two-factor authentication for. Now, go ahead and tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and further tap on the Manage Your Google Account option. Now tap on the security option on the top toolbar and scroll down a little and you will see the two-factor authentication option. Tap on that. You will further be required to verify your action. So go ahead and complete the verification process, and now you will see the turn off two-step verification button. Tap on that and in the confirmation pop-up that appears, tap on turn off again, and with this, two-factor authentication will be disabled. So, this is how you can turn off two-step authentication on Google. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.